Good afternoon. Myself Atish Shivshankar Mishra, librarian, Adarsh College of Arts, Nizampur Jaitane, Taluka Sakri, District Bhutiya. I am going to present on my topic National Institutional Ranking Framework, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. This is the portal of National Institutional Ranking Framework, designed and developed by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Here we can see the present Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development, Honorable Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal. You can see India Ranking 2020 released and declared by Honorable Minister on 11th June 2020. These are the categories wise ranking: overall, university, engineering, management, pharmacy, college, medical, law, architecture, dental, for separate ranking. I am talking about the National Institutional Ranking Framework. The National Institutional Ranking Framework was approved by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, and launched by Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development on 29th September 2015. I told Honorable Minister, National Institutional Ranking Framework portal implemented by MHRD for higher educational institution in India. It is only academic purpose. For what? To develop the institute, to enhance and improve the quality work, to provide well-equipped physical facility and services to students, to increase the number of quality research publication and projects, to utilize the funds properly. NIRF released the rank position of higher education institutions across the country, data collection process, and given rank to higher education institution across the country started by NIRF from 2016 to till continue. In academic year 2019-20, near about 3,800 institutions participated for NIRF ranking 2020, according to Wikipedia. If you fill the data of your institution on NIRF dashboard, so you can check the rank of your college. The rank of college given by NIRF is very much important. For details of information, then you can go the website of NIRF, www.nirfindia.org. Uh, there is available below the link https://www.nirfindia.org for methodology, metrics and parameters of NIRF for higher educational institution of India in details. These are the parameters. There are 5 parameters of NIRF. These parameters were assigned certain weightages. The weightages depend on the type of institution. Number 1, teaching, learning and resources. Number 2, research and professional practice. Number 3, graduation outcomes. Number 4, outreach and inclusivity. Number 5, peer perception. I explain one by one parameters: teaching and learning and resources. Teaching and learning and resources under student strength, including doctoral student, faculty student ratio with emphasis on permanent faculty, combined metric for faculty with PhD and experience, financial utilizations. Number 2 parameters: research and professional practice under combined metrics for publications, combined metric for quality of publications, IPR and patents, published and granted IPR, footprints of projects and professional practice. Number 3, graduation outcomes. Metric for university examinations, metric for numbers of PhD students graduated under graduation outcome. Number 4 parameters: outreach and inclusivity. Here it is asked percentage of students from other state and countries, percentage of women diversity, economically and socially challenged student, facilities for physical challenged student, perception ranking. Number 5 parameters: peer perception, academic peers and employers. It is depend on survey. Survey method is used to calculate the perception. Documents provides and uploading of academic performance of higher educational institutions in that academic year as per NIRF dashboard. There are two forms available. One is overall and second one is college. First, it will have to create account and registered of institutions or university on NIRF dashboard. Overall registration generally used for university or university level institutions. College registration used for all types and faculties of institutions. The notification and publisher of NIRF on every September. Please check regular website of NIRF. How to process of NIRF? Registration of institutions in two forms like college wise and overall wise. I told about college wise and overall wise. Next, the dashboard of your institution will be open. The ASHA code is essential. Your institutional data field complete the process, then it will generate the report in PDF forms or Excel. When your institution will participate in NIRF and filling the data on NIRF dashboard, then you will get or generate the report of your institution in PDF format or Excel format. Your institutions have own website. The NIRF reports of your institutions upload you in your institutional website as per the guidelines of NIRF. It must be checked regular your institutional valid email. NIRF team communicate regularly with us and given the instructions about what next. From the email, documents and discipline-wise methodology of India ranking of higher educational institution. Upload the India rank of your institutions. University divides under this category. If your institution has participated in NIRF, then you can check your rank below the category wise. Overall, college, management, pharmacy, engineering, architecture, law, medicals. NIRF result declared and published from 2016 to 2020 and continue. NIRF 2016 result available. NIRF 2017 result available. NIRF 2018 available. NIRF 2019 result available. NIRF 2020 result available on NIRF portal. Thanking you.